In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to build AI agents with Crewai AI. So this is going to be step by step. So first of all, make sure that you have your Crewai AI installed. On your Linux or Windows, you're going to be running a couple of commands on PowerShell, or Mac. If you're using Mac OS, you can use a terminal. Then once you have everything installed and good to go, you can use their agents. Or let's just say you want to build agents with that. So if you head over to their agents section, you can see we can create effective agents, and we can use different kind of principles to get the best type of agents. So let's just say we have a couple of models here, like for example the role, goal, backstory, framework. So you can see, and in here the agents is going to be specialized function. You can see a couple of things to build. You are going to be basically defining their purpose and motivation. Once you do, you can see we have goal setting. First you set up their motivation goal, and in there it is going to be defining that what purpose it is going to be using for different type of tasks. And once you do, you can see we have a specialist over a generalist, so you can use the best top-notch commands and backend scripting. So once you do, it is going to be crafting you amazing agents. So of course all of it is going to be AI based, providing you the best ever agents. So I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.